Un, deux, trois. Your hand fits with mine like it's made just for me. But bear this in mind, it was meant to be. Though everyone's around us, you're the only thing I see, and it all makes sense to me. I know you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you laugh. You never loved the dimples when you smile. The moments that we have make me shiver down my spine, but I'll love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's true, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I can't go to bed without a cup of tea. Or maybe it's the empty space where you're meant to be. When all our conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. I know you never loved the sound of your voice on the phone. You never sing unless you are alone. You still wear those faded jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's true, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you never love yourself half as much as I love you. You never think you're good enough, baby, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you'll love yourself like I love you. And I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. If I do, it's true, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. And all these little things,